Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. In this video, you will learn how to switch off or power off all Samsung S series phones. Okay, in all Samsung S series phone, power off option will be different. Okay, here how to do it. If you long press this power key, this side key, usually Bixby will be open. Okay, so you cannot switch off your phone. You will be facing this problem in all S series Samsung phones. If you would like to switch off your phone, what you have to do is just you have to press power button and volume down button together, and then you will get power off option. Now you can click on power off and your phone will be switched off. Or otherwise you can go to the notification area, then swipe down again, you will get soft key of power off. Click on it and you can choose here power off. Okay, otherwise you can bring this power off option to the power off button only. Okay, without using volume down button, you can only use power button, but you got to change the settings. Okay, because it is already defaultly set to Bixby. Okay, to change it to change a power off menu to power button only, you have to go to settings of our phone, then go to advanced features and go to side button, and here under press and hold choose power off menu. Now long press this power button and see here power off menu appears. Now check for power button and volume down button. Now also it's working. Okay, so you have three methods to switch off or power off your phone, that is Samsung Galaxy S series phones. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.